How to lock mouse while looking around on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to easily lock your mouse when looking around on Roblox. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys can see here, I have my Roblox player open here, and if I want to move around, I can move around with the WASD key. But if I want to look around, I'll have to right click on my mouse and hold it like this to look around. And as you can see, my mouse is not locking as I am moving this. So the very first thing that you can do is, it only works on some of the games, but you just have to press shift on your keyboard like this, and a little crosshair will appear on the middle of your screen, and you will be able to look around on this by locking your mouse. But it only works on some of the games, and if you want to unlock it again, press shift again, and as you can see, your mouse will be unlocked. Then what else you can do is head over to your menu section, tap on settings, and on the camera mode you can just change it to camera toggle and then tap on resume. So what happens now is, if I just hold and move around my right click, it does the same thing, but if I just press right click once, it will lock my mouse and I am able to look around the map. But unfortunately, the shift won't work if your camera toggle is on. So if you try to press shift while your mouse is unlocked, you won't be able to do that. It just adjusts your settings a bit. So what you need to do is press right click once and it will lock it, and to unlock you just press right click once again to unlock. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.